Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the Amur Falcon in Heartopia. You'll need to be level 10 of the bird watching hobby. You'll find it in the ruins area or where the Cradle Lake is, but I found mine near the ruins area. Found mine on top of a rock here. The weather needs to be either rainbow, sunny, or rainy, so any weather and any time of the day. And for me, again, it was located on top of the rocks, the cliff. I don't know, just the rocks. This is what it looks like. But yeah, it wasn't very hard for me to find. But I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.